Honk at him. Honk at him. Aww. See? Aww. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Can't see. Alright, it's safe. Go in. Go, go, before there's so snow there. We're safe. That's a golf course. Yeah. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. I hate to break down. You have to put all that snow there. Yes, that's snow, not dirt. That's like 3 inches of snow right there. Oh yeah. Alright. See? There's still leaves in the trees. Oh, there's the golf course. And there's a street sign that says bump. There's a bump. A bump. The bump. The bump. Ba-dum. Ba-ba-dum. Bump. Ba-bump. Bump. There's the bump. Well, this is like a horrible place to be like when it's snowing, like on the... I wonder if you get more traction on there. Want to go to the mall? Oh, we have to go to Costco's right now.
I'm going to Costco's right now.
Why? Because it's snowing?
I got to go home and find the receipts for that stuff if I can find it.
Oh.
Bring it back. I got a 15% off coupon. Hang up those window shades.
Oh, okay.
And decide I was going to use
It's starting to look like Wow. I don't know what the mountain... It looks like the mountain's open. Everyone's coming from the mountain. Look at that road. Yeah. There's my camp picture. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Well, I had lots of fun. I got on the window to cool off and dry out. Yeah, no, not gangster at all. Pioneer landscape. Low light. Do you see my video? Do you look at my videos online, Dad, when I post them? Oh, makes me feel special. Oh, that guy's stuck. I'm gonna post like 2 videos. Oh yeah, you like that? Yeah, my laptop's broken. My screen is. Well, it's not broken. Like the laptop's like not broken. Like it's like can't use it. It's the screen that's broken. Oh yeah. Huh?
Which you put on the school.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the broken window. You see the one with my screen though?
No.
Oh, I uploaded one to YouTube that's with my screen.
No, I'm on Facebook.
Yeah, my Facebook too.
I didn't see that.
Oh. Well, look for it. It's like I've never seen this bad of a snowstorm. Yeah, that's a lie. I've been seen worse. Can we go sledding? What's that tree getting done? Like, poor leaves are like getting ripped off the trees. So much for a beautiful fall. Look at that. That's all leaves on the ground there.
When else they're going to play the football game?
Is there a football game today?
Football game tomorrow.
Yeah.
somewhere.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Guy's already out here shoveling. When this is over, I'm gonna go to some old person's house and like ask them so I can get paid to shovel. All services included. What are the services? I bring my own shovel.
Put the baby out in the snow.
Oh, come on, Dad. Don't be that cruel.
I wasn't. They were.
That's no baby, Dad. That's just a carrot. Crab thing. Crabs. Oh, it's an earthquake. Alright, see you next video.